Don't leave your grandmother's chandelier in your house when you go ahead and list it. Swap it out before you list. So we have this thing called fixtures in North Carolina, and anything, if you turn a house upside down that does not fall to the floor, belongs to that house. So we have to do what's called exceptions. And so if you have a really nice light fixture, or let's say you have something else that you want to take with you when you move, you better make that change before we list the house. Otherwise, it just causes a bunch of commotion. And even not that refrigerators and washer and dryers are fixtures, they are personal property. But if you've got a really nice one and you don't want to leave that behind, most buyers are going to ask for the washer dryer and the refrigerator in their contracts. So we just don't want to have that discussion in the middle of our negotiation. So don't, don't swap it out before we go to market. I'm Marie Mahood, broker owner for Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. If you got real estate questions, ask me. Nobody sells Charlotte like we do. Thanks. Bye.